Typing commands directly into the command window is useful if you want to just have a play around with things, and I encourage you to do that for experimenting with pieces of code. But if you want to run the same thing or a similar thing multiple times, it gets quite tedious to type them out each time. So what we can do is save some MATLAB commands into a file, and then we can run that file multiple times, maybe making some changes as we go. And so the way that you do that is click on this icon up here. This is New Script. You can also get to this from the File menu. And we open up an editor window which looks like the one that you see here. And so what I can do in here is type in some statements. So I'm going to type something along the lines of what we had before. Like this, and now I can save my script. Save icon here, also on the File menu. I'll give it a name. Now the rules here are the same as the rules for variables, so don't use spaces and avoid any special characters other than the underscore. So now I have saved my script. I can run it using this button up here, also by pressing F5 on my keyboard. So when I run that, what happens is over here in MATLAB, what I'll do is I'll type CLC to clear up that screen, and I'll run that again to show you. So what's happened is that the output of each of the commands which I have typed has appeared here in the command window. So if I put a semicolon at the end of one of these lines, let's clear that and run it again, notice that the output was not printed to the screen. So this is a way that you can control how much of your output gets shown when your script is run.